Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm going to show you how to fix phone heating while charging on iPhone 12. So first thing, remember that it's completely normal for your phone to heat while it's charging. It's just how it works. But we can minimize that heating. So open our phone, please. Okay. Then close all the background apps. Next thing is to take off the etui, the case, but I don't have any. Next, use the original charger and cable. Avoid using your phone while charging, so just close it, leave it, and let it charge properly, and charge it in a cool and ventilated area. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.